This is a very special kit from Hunkydory. It is exclusive to Paper Wishes, and that's wonderful. There are, of course, foiled die cuts, as you can see. Birdsong being the name. You're going to see birds all over. But also, you've got greetings, you've got decorative accents, you've got borders. Now, there are 56 foiled die cuts, and there are also going to be 4 foiled adorable scoreable sheets. Now, these are the A4 size. In addition, there will be 4 printed adorable scoreable, and that's the heavyweight cardstock. Here is another sheet. Oh, so pretty. Don't you love the colors? And I love that many times you get 3 frames. So there's the image in the middle, there's a gold frame, and then there's a blue and a gold frame. So that's just really nice. Here's what that foiled adorable scoreable looks like. You can see foiling down there. Here is the printed. Here is another sheet combining both the purple and the teal. And spread your wings and fly, home sweet home, celebrate your special day. Thank you so very much. Here is the foiled piece, and here is the printed. And last but not least, this is the last of the Birdsong flying by to say hi. And again, the foiled as well as the printed. And as I said, these are exclusive to paperwishes.com, so this is the only place you'll find this beautiful Birdsong collection.